Lieutenant Bami Atul Shanain, NCC Officer, Vivekananda College, Puttur, 4 Unit 19 Karnataka Battalion, Madikeri. Today we will talk about NCC, National Cadet Corps. So let us know what is NCC, how to join NCC, what are the benefits of joining NCC. First and foremost, we will see what is NCC. NCC is a triangular service organization which includes Army, Navy and Air Force. NCC is a voluntary organization. Cadets from all over India can join NCC. NCC in India was formed in 16 April 1948, but NCC was first started in Germany in 1666. When NCC was formed in 1948, it started with the strength of 20,000 cadets. But now, at present, strength has increased to more than 13 lakh cadets. NCC main objective is to build character, discipline, leadership, secular habit and sense of adventures within youth. Many of NCC cadets will be motivated to join Indian Armed Force in future so that they can contribute towards our country. NCC will be headed by the officer with the Lieutenant General rank, and in state level NCC has been divided into 17 head office, which is known as DDG. NCC main headquarter is in New Delhi, which is also known as DG. NCC main motto is unity and discipline. So let us see how to join NCC. As I've told you, NCC is a voluntary organization in which cadets from schools and colleges will be selected all over India. In NCC, there are two divisions. First is Junior Division and Junior Wing. Second is Senior Division and Senior Wing. To apply for Junior Division or Junior Wing, age limit will be 13 to 18.5 years of age. And for Senior Division or Senior Wing, age limit should not be more than 24 years of age. If we talk about educational qualification for Junior Division or Junior Wing, it is class 8 to 10 standard. And if you want to apply for Senior Division or Senior Wing, you can apply after 10th. In NCC, both male and female are eligible. For Junior Division and Junior Wing, training duration will be for 2 years. But whereas for Senior Division and Senior Wing, training duration will be for 3 years. Total, you will be given 3 certificates. A certificate will be given to JD and JW. B and C certificate will be given to ST and SW. And you must know that in these 3 certificates, C certificate is very important. The benefits of joining NCC. If you are dreaming to join Indian Armed Force, so I would like to tell you that all the 3 branches of Indian Armed Force, Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, in all these 3 branches, NCC cadet will be given special entry for the selection in Indian Armed Force, which will be given only to the NCC cadets. And if you have NCC certificate, you will be also given reservation for higher studies. NCC C certificate cadets will be given direct attempt for SSB interview. They need not give written exam in CDS and NDA exams. For NCC cadet, every year 64 vacancy will be allotted in IMA Dehradun and 100 vacancy will be allotted in OTA Chennai. And very important part is that NCC cadet will live a life of armed force. And also I would like to tell you that our present Prime Minister Narendra Modi was also a NCC cadet.
Jai Hind. I am Sergeant Ankita VK, student from final year BSc. I attended Republic Day Parade Camp New Delhi this year. National Cadet Corps influenced me in many ways. It helps to create a good personality towards the bright future. In every camp, cadet represents the unique and rich culture of our country. For me, it is a wonderful opportunity through NCC to meet the great military personalities of India and also the cadets from different parts of the country. Through the youth exchange program, we got the opportunities to interact with the cadets from various countries. Even being Army NCC cadet, I learned many things about Air Force and Navy. NCC is a platform which helps to make wonderful memories and experience of life. Cultural programs, physical, adventurous activities makes you learn new things and lessons. Vivekananda College NCC welcomes everyone who wants to have better life through National Cadet Corps. Now it's your turn.
Discipline, time sense, secular outlook, communication skill, spirit of adventure, sportsmanship, and so on. There are many state and national level camps, that is, Combined Annual Training Camp, Leadership Camp, Thal Sainik Camp, Nav Sainik Camp, Vayu Sainik Camp, Republic Day Camp, Special National Integration Camp, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Camp, Rock Climbing Camp, Army Attachment Camp, Mountaineering Camp, and so on.
This is Junandra Officer Priyadi, ex-cadet of VCNCC 2017-20 batch. I had participated in All India SW contingent Rajpath 2020 and also in the PM Rally in New Delhi. Now I want to share our NCC experience. NCC is a turning point in our life. We both wanted to join NCC since school days. Since our father is ex-army, he knew importance of the NCC and the NCC is one of the unique experience. Our parents encouraged, motivated and supported in our journey. We had participated in many camps like Advanced Leadership Camp, Combined Annual Training Camp, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Every cadets have dreamed to attend Republic Day Camp in Delhi. It is the 4 month of the camp. Each camp have 10 days and total 8 to 9 camps. First 3 camps, that is pre-IGC RDC camp, held at Alvas College, Mudabite. In this camp, there are 2 types of the competition, culture and the drill. As we both selected in drill, we had scheduled from morning 5 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. We had hard practice with the 4.5 kg SLR rifle. Our officers, ANO, PS staffs, drill instructors helped to improve our turn stamina drill and make us perfect for the competition. In this competition, there are 3 types of the drill competition, that is Guard of Honor, PM Rally contingent. We both selected in all 3 competitions. In IGC, again there was individual selection. On 2018, I got rejected in this camp and only Preeti was selected and she completed RDC journey in 2018-19 batch. After IGC camp, there are 4 camps, pre-RDC 1, pre-RDC 2, pre-RDC 3 and 4 in Chalahali Air Force Station, Bangalore. Now the competition became tough. Same schedule will be continued in this camp also. There was a hard selection in this camp and total 111 got selected for RDC Delhi from Karnataka and Goa Directorate. There are 3 different categories in drill, that is Rajpath, PM Rally, Guard of Honor. Total 30 cadets are selected from Karnataka and Goa Directorate to perform individual selection in All India contingent Rajpath at New Delhi. At the end of the December, we moved to the capital of the India and we reached at first week of January. Now competition become tough. There are many competitions like flag area, line area, PM Rally, Rajpath, Guard of Honor, Best Cadets, Group Song, Group Dance, Ballet, NIP. We are happy that we selected in All India contingent Rajpath. Our daily practice was at Karyappa ground, morning 6 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. It is very hard practice with the 4.5 kg SLR rifle. About last 5 days we had practice in Rajpath from morning 2 a.m. to 11 a.m. It is one of the wonderful experience. After a hard practice about 4 months, it was 26 January, where we have to showcase our NCC troop on Rajpath. On that day, we had to fall in at 3 a.m. So we had to get up at 2 a.m. We had to ready with the full uniform and also with the full excitement and the josh. And then we left to the Rajpath. Rashtrapati Bhavan was our starting point. Before reaching Rashtrapati Bhavan, there was full security check. We had to cover around 5 km beginning from the Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate. Before reaching India Gate, we were crossing our main diet. It was a pride moment.
Of the NCC Directorate Maharashtra. These girls excel in all kinds of activities like mountaineering, rafting and paragliding. We are playing the tune Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara.
It was very huge crowd. There were many people and our Honorable Prime Minister, President, Minister, Defense Officer and other troops. It was wonderful, pride, beautiful moment.
श्रीष्मा हेगड़े के नेतृत्व में एनसीसी सीनियर डिवीजन की 159 छात्राओं का दस्ता सलामी मंच के सामने। इस दस्ते में शामिल कैडेटों को देश के सभी 17 निदेशालयों से चुना गया है।
I was very happy and emotional too because it was a dream come true moment. It was very proud that we were sharing our Rajpath road with real heroes, that is many army, regiment, air force and naval troop. In Delhi, we visited Qutub Minar, India Gate, War of Memorial, Rajghat, Humayun Tomb, Rashtrapati Bhavan. Also, we got opportunity to meet the Honorable Prime Minister, President, Army Chief General Bipin Rawat, Naval Chief Admiral Karambir Singh, Air Force Chief Air Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh, and also Chief Minister of Karnataka and Governor of Karnataka. For upcoming cadets, I just want to tell that NCC is a platform which helps for the individual development, and we are truly blessed that we are a part of this organization. Last, I want to thank our ANO Lieutenant Bami Atul Shenai sir, ex-ANO Captain Mahesh Rai sir, our officers, DIs, PS staff, and all my seniors. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. I'm Lance Corporal Likita VK of Vivekananda College, Puttur. Proudly, I always say I'm a VC cadet. It's a huge honor, I wish to say, as it's a precious opportunity to grab it and hold on as a youth like me. Yes, I prefer the word youth. It's a strength of our nation. But nowadays, it's all a myth. Youth does not undergo the knowledge of discipline and unity. And NCC binds up under the motto of one for all, that is a service for our motherland. Saying Jai Hind is not only to be a say, but it must flow in blood of every citizen, and NCC makes every cadet to bloom in this society. These similar changes happened personally to me and reshaped my present and future to the utmost end. There are many examples among us in our troop who has reached the highest position proudly. I only take up the word credit to our one and only VC NCC. I couldn't forget the day of selection, close and strict bond between junior and seniors, Saturday parade, fear and cry, Josh at its high, well, neat line ironed uniform, badges around with nameplate, proudly the feather of hackle stay over our barret, tight belt with thick biting well polished shoe, bright white handkerchief with brown after done, and evening snacks, all these were immortal. Above all, our backbone, Captain D. Mahesh Rai sir and Lieutenant Brahmi Atul Shenai sir, who stood up to lead VCNCC at very peak point. I would say a short poem that describes my whole journey of being pride as a cadet at VCNCC. I joined it in a year, made it with fear, and nevertheless success was near, and it was possible through VCNCC forever. Once a cadet, always a cadet. VCNCC ki jai, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. I'm Credit Navyoshri, first year, NCC Credit VC Putturu. I like to share my first year NCC experience. I started my NCC journey in Vivekananda Putturu. NCC is the main and very important basement to stand me very strong. It taught me lot of things, which includes self-discipline, self-control, motivation to come up, encourage to face every problem, self-defense, risk management, hard working, awareness of mental and physical fitness, and the main and very important is social service. NCC enlightened me in nation service, which is the duty to protect our motherland India, and also taught me basic arms training, team ethic, following orders, various kinds of physical activities, sports, camp to remote areas, etc. It infused courage and strength and motivated me to do something to our motherland and respect her. Ultimately, it made me a better person. NCC create a human resource of organized, trained and motivate the youth to provide leadership in all walks of life, including armed force, naval and Indian Air Force, which always available for the nation service. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Jai Hind. Myself, Cadet Yashaswini Kini, second year BSc, VC Puttur. Firstly, I joined NCC just for the sake of the uniform, and later on I realized that NCC is not only about uniform and it has changed my life a lot. Like after joining NCC, I became more punctual, confident, courageous and disciplined. And also NCC teaches you unity in its each and every single step. And now I'll say a few words about the camp. Actually, we didn't get a chance to attend camps due to this pandemic, but I do know how it feels by seeing my seniors. If you get selected to some national camps, you'll have the opportunity to meet some great personalities. Usually, Indian civilians won't get opportunities to use rifles so easily, but NCC cadets get a chance to use these rifles, and I'm proud of it. Once a cadet will always be a cadet, and I'm proud to be a NCC cadet. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. I'm Cadet Yan Bhavita, studying in second year BCom Vivekananda Degree College, Puttur. My seniors motivated me to join NCC, and now I would like to suggest a few reasons why one should join NCC. We, the youth of India, should join NCC because it's our duty to serve the nation. If you join NCC, a rank is added to your name. From a day one till you die, you will be addressed as a cadet. And also, you will get an opportunity to wear khaki uniform and hold rifle on your hand. It's very happy and proud to wear khaki uniform. Khaki is not just a color, it's the power and strength of the nation. After joining NCC, I have improved my physical fitness, endurance and stamina. Along with my BCom graduation, I plan on giving B and C certificate exam. NCC is the only one organization which will give you a good exam to join defense sector. C certificate is considered as the most beneficial certificate in the defense sector jobs. I personally advise everyone to join NCC because it has been a wonderful and cherishable experience for me. It has given me an important character like confidence, time sense, unity, improvement, leadership and discipline. It made me a better individual what I was yesterday. So I am proud to be a NCC cadet. Thank you.